Namaste everyone. If you're also suffering from this kind of upper back hunch and you're worried about it, then this video is for you. In this video, I have shown some basic asanas that will help you correct the posture. They're very easy to practice and does not take too much time to do. So watch this video till the end and let's see how to fix your upper back hunch. First is Bhujangasana. Lie down on the stomach on your mat and then keep your both palms beside your chest. Take deep breath in, roll your shoulders back, lift your chest up, hold for a few breaths. And then slowly exhale down. Alright, for the next one, you will need a bolster. You will keep a bolster vertically behind you and then very slowly you will lie down on the bolster. Now make sure your shoulder blades should be on the bottom edge of the bolster and your head should rest on the bolster. Then you are pressing your shoulders down and opening your chest. And then relax for a few minutes in this posture and slowly come up. Now next, Bandasana. For that, lie down on your back on the mat, bend your both knees, keep your both palms beside your hip. Then press your palms, lift your hip up and keep your both palms under your buttocks to support them by pressing your elbows down. Slowly bring your hip down and relax. For the next one, you can use a chair like I'm using here, or you can do it on your bed also. Now if you are using chair, don't forget to keep a blanket on the chair, as I'm using here my yoga mat on behalf of blanket. If you are doing it for the first time or you are new to yoga, then you should avoid it, or you can practice this in front of a yoga instructor. And if you are doing on a bed, you can repeat the same by pressing the palm down and make sure to keep a bolster or pillow just under your head. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you find this useful. If yes, don't forget to share with your friends and family who have the same problem. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.